What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on the heroes of Mavia. Or Mavia, whatever you want to, I think it's better to pronounce it Mavia. But welcome to this new video. We'll do a full update, we'll talk about some fundamentals, we'll talk about some technicals, and we will most importantly relate all of those things to the price. So that's what we'll do, so let's get right into it. First of all, fundamentally, I always think it's important to at least talk about the fundamentals a little bit, especially with Mavia, right? Because right now, if you go to the lower time frame, something like this, we're obviously bullish, all right? And we're also respecting support levels here. We had a lot of momentum overnight, so then it's very easy to say that, well, we're bullish, all right? I want to buy this right now. And I do think you need to be careful with that, all right? If you look at Mavia and you look at its past, we've had a lot of momentum in the beginning, and I still remember that those were great times. I bought it very, very early back then. I sold all of it. I don't hold any Mavia anymore. But we have seen since then, basically since March, the entire market has been bearish, but Mavia has been very bearish. All right, we dropped down from like $10 at the very top here. And yes, that is the top, so maybe that's not fair, but let's say we dropped down from $6, $7 here, which were levels we held for a long time, all the way down to 1.7 here. So yes, short term we're bullish, but there's a reason why we're dropping down like this, all right? And that's not, for me personally, I would say it's not an attractive investment, all right? I know that there's a ton of influencers, etc., invested in this coin who are basically getting tokens every single month, probably. There's a lot of venture capitals in this. So Mavia, fundamentally, it's not a bad project, even though I think it's a little bit ripped off from Clash of Clans. It's not a bad project. It has a lot of active users, so in the long term it can do good. But for now it still seems that the pressure of all of the investors and all of the influencers, KOL selling, I think that's too much. All right, and for me, technically, on the 4-hour time frame, I would actually say we're bearish. All right, for me, the main level to break for that would be 1.95 and $2. If we're able to break above that, then I think we can actually be bullish for a longer period of time. And I would actually say on the 1-hour time frame, we are bullish here as well, right? I mean, we are gaining real momentum. So you cannot deny that. We're getting real bullish breakouts. But for now, I still think you need to be careful with this. All right, you can also see, if you look at this bullish momentum we have seen, it's caused probably by some sort of whales. All right, you can see that the open interest or the momentum is basically in a matter of 3 hours. Every time it goes up a lot, and then you see a little bit of not recovery, but you see a little bit of that it cools down. So we had some major liquidations also earlier last night here at 1.95. I would be careful, all right? Due to the technical structure right here, I would say it is most likely that we will still move up to $2, but I would not trade that, all right? Only if we break above $2 and Bitcoin is also bullish, then I would potentially buy it, because that's such a strong bullish breakout. That's very compelling. But at this point in time, we're technically back in this consolidation right here between 1.65 and 1.95. And I would actually say it's a little bit more attractive given the fundamentals and given the past and the history of Mavia in terms of price action. I would say it's a little bit more attractive to wait for some sort of a big bearish breakout below 1.65 to short it back down to its bottoms. But those are my thoughts for now. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.